No, don't eat it. Come here, Halfprice, come here. Halfprice, come here. You want peanut butter? Okay. Good girl, good girl. She's so scared. She's burying her head. It's okay. Good girl, you did it. Okay. Hello everybody, this is my dog Halfprice, and today we're going to be making some pumpkin doggy treats for you and your dog. They are safe for both people and dogs, and I'm very excited to film this video. If you've watched some of my other videos, you might have seen the one that I filmed with my other dog Lily, and she absolutely loves to be on camera. And it's been a year and a half since I made that video, and the reason that I've not filmed one with Halfprice yet is because she's a little bit shy, but she's here. She's doing such a good job. Yes, you are, but don't eat that. Not yet, okay? I gave her some peanut butter earlier. All right, these are gonna be super easy and super fast, so let's get started. First off, we have 2.5 cups of wheat flour, and then I'm gonna add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Yeah, you're doing such a good job. And then I'm gonna add in half a cup of pumpkin. I think she wants to try the pumpkin too, so maybe I'll let her have a little taste. This is the perfect fall treat for your dog, because these are gonna be pumpkin cinnamon dog treats. Halfprice, come here. You wanna try some? We'll see how long she stays for the video. She might have to leave and then come back later. That's it. Good girl. Okay. And then we have 2 eggs. Let me get these before she tries to eat them. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And then you're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of water. And you're just gonna mix that all together, super easy. Okay, so you might not be able to see her anymore right now, but she's laying down. That's fine. And Halfprice is 8 years old, and her birthday was actually in September, but I've been planning to do this for a while, so I didn't want to wait a whole nother year just to make them for her. By now, some of you may be wondering, why do I keep calling her Halfprice? I mean, that's her name, and the reason that we named her Halfprice is because we got her for half price at an animal shelter. I believe it was like the week before Black Friday, and so black dogs were half price, and that is how she got her name. But she is just the sweetest dog in the world, and we love her so much. So we call her Halfprice, but she is full price in our hearts. I said 1 teaspoon of water, but we might need to add a little bit more depending on how your dough is coming together, because mine is a little bit dry. Okay, gonna add like a little bit more. Oh yeah, but these biscuits or like cookies are dog friendly because they do not have any sugar, they don't have any salt, and they have just very whole and like natural ingredients. I forgot to mention that the peanut butter that I'm using is all natural peanut butter. It's just 100% peanuts. There was no salt added. So that's the kind of peanut butter that you want to try to get, but especially do not get the peanut butter that has sugar or extra oils added. You'll also notice that I'm in a different space today because I'm actually on the floor. This is pretty silly, and I'm using a container, and then I have a baking mat on top of it so that, you know, I'm not using the container lid as like my work surface. Because Halfprice is a very big dog, and so she can't really sit on our kitchen chairs like Lily can. And obviously she can't like reach the kitchen countertops. So this is what I'm doing today. I have so many stories that I could tell about Halfprice. She's a funny dog. Okay, I think this is almost done. I'm gonna start kneading it together with my hands. All right, so the dough is done, and you actually want it to be kind of thick and hard. But once you get it to come together enough to be a dough, then we're going to flour our work surface. And again, I'm using wheat flour. And then I'm gonna set the dough down and put some flour on top of it. All right, and now I'm gonna roll this out. You want this to be about ½ inch thick. I'm gonna try to do this super quickly, because if you take a long time to do it, the first time you make dog treats, then you're not going to want to do it again. So we're gonna try to make this as easy as possible, because then you're gonna want to make more dog treats for your dog. And the dogs love the treats. So let's just roll this out. All right, so my dough is all rolled out, and now I'm going to use cookie cutters to cut them into cute little doggy shapes. I've got this dog bone here, and then a house, and then a little doggy paw. And I just got a huge set of cutters on Amazon, but you can cut your dog treats whatever shape you want. They can just be circles, really. Just gonna cut. And also try to place your cuts close together so that you can get lots of cookies. And we can place these pretty close together on the baking sheet. They shouldn't spread too much. Okay, and now I'm all ready to bake them. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're gonna wanna bake these until they're kind of like a golden brown and they're hard. Could be like 30 to 40 minutes. And we're gonna go. They are very hard. And ta-da! The dog treats are all finished. They look good? You wanna try? Okay.
She's a big girl.
Good girl.
She's oh, she's going to go.
Halfprice.
She likes eating it on the carpet.
Yeah. She's like, don't watch me eat. She has dipnophobia. Okay, now the star of the show is going to try it. Lillian.
She'll devour it on the spot.
Okay, you gotta face the camera.
There we go.
Okay,
Yep.
ready? Good girl. Wow, Lily.
She wants more.
They both really want the half that's in my hand, but it's for Lily. Okay, sit. Good girl, Lily. Okay. Good girl.
There we go.
So, as you can see, both of our dogs like them a whole lot. So, now it's time to test them and see how they actually taste. Oh my god. No, don't like them. But the dogs do. Well, anyways, thanks so much for baking with me. Let me know if you end up making these dog treats for your dogs and how they like them. And I will see you next time. Bye! Okay, let's see how this goes. I do not think this is going to work. Can you sit? Sit and look at the camera? Can you do that? Okay. And I'm gonna go to blah blah blah. And I'm going to try blah blah blah. I keep messing up my words.